Name is and in this video I will be discussing the question set 37 of DBMS question sets day 8. Moving on, this would be our PDF of question set 37. This would be our scenario and it's the same scenario of question set 31. So let's see the first question of question set 37. Which of the users registered with the shop who are living in Kurunegala? Create a view and do not use the graphical method to do so. This should be our first query. I have inner joined the user table with the address table. Then to that table I have inner joined the city table. And lastly you can see my condition. The city name should be Kurunegala. I have given the view as Kurunegala view. I have used these two keywords so I can create the view. I have given this asterisk mark so I can select all of the columns. So let's execute our query. Let's see whether our view is available in the database. Our already chosen the database, so now we can see our new view, Kurunegala view, the 11 columns as well. So that would be our first query. Let's move on to the second question. Update this query statement required to get the user ID, first name, last name, information in the created view. So this would be our second query. So as they are mentioning us to update the first query, I have used these two keywords. As you can see, if it is available, we have to replace it with this view. So moving on, I have selected these three columns, the user ID, the first name and the last name. For that I have inner joined the user table with the address table, and then I have inner joined the city table. And lastly I have given the same condition, the city name should be Kurunegala. Let's execute our query. Now our Kurunegala view should contain only 3 columns. Let's see. Let's move on to the third question. Create a view to see all details of the GRN table. You must include the GRN ID, GRN date, and the provider name. It is not necessary to enter the details of the items purchased here. Use the name of the view as GRN view and do not use the graphical method to do so. So this would be our third query. I have selected the GRN ID, the GRN date, the first name, which is the provider's name. I have given the view as GRN view. So for that I have inner joined the GRN table with the user table, and yes. And I have given once again the create and the view keywords, the two keywords, so I can create the new view. Let's execute our query. Now we will be able to see our new view, the view GRN view. Let's refresh our database. GRN view. So here, as you can see, we have derived all of the details in the GRN table. I will show you now. Let's move on to the fourth question. The GRN you created above includes details of all GRN purchased items and rearrange this view. In this view, it is sufficient to display GRN ID, GRN date, first name, the last name, the product name, quantity, QTY, unit price, and lastly the selling price. Do not use the graphical method, create this view. So this should be our fourth query. we have used these two keywords. So as we have created the GRN table, GRN view, we have created the GRN view previously. So that's why I have used those two keywords. Then I have included the columns they have mentioned to select them, so we can select them. In the search query, I have inner joined the GRN table and the user table, and to that table I have inner joined the GRN item table, and lastly to that table I have inner joined the product table. So let's let's execute our query. So now our view should only contain these set of columns. Let's see. GRN view. As you can see, this should be our new GRN view. It only contains the columns that they have mentioned. So that will be the end of the question set discussion on question set 37 as well. And thank you.